Welcome back to Zimist Coded. So, have you ever opened your Google Chrome browser and thought, I wish this was in another language? Maybe you're learning a new language, or you just prefer browsing in something different. Well, good news. Changing your Chrome language is actually very simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. All right, let's get into it. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see those three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, take a look at the left-hand side menu. Find and click on Languages. Now, this is where everything happens. You'll see your current display language already listed here. If you want to add a new one, just click on Add Languages. A list will pop up. You can either scroll through it or simply use the search bar to quickly find what you want. In this example, I'm going to search for French. Once you find it, tick the checkbox next to it, then click Add. Perfect. Now your new language has been added. Next step, look at the three dots right next to that language. Click on it, and then select Display Google Chrome in this language. At this point, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Go ahead and click Relaunch, give it a second, and just like that, your entire Chrome browser is now in your selected language. In our case, French. Simple, clean, and very useful. Now, if you ever want to switch it back to English, just repeat the same process. Click the three dots next to English, set it as your display language, and relaunch Chrome again. And you're back to normal. That's it. No stress at all. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and practical tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.